A mysterious sound echoing from the ocean's depths has left scientists scratching their heads, detected simultaneously across the globe. This eerie noise defies explanation and fuels wild theories of undiscovered sea monsters lurking beneath. Dubbed the Bloop, this low-frequency underwater sound was first captured in the late 90s by NOAA's hydrophones and has been heard again, sending ripples through the scientific community. Is it a massive creature communicating in the ocean's abyss, or a natural phenomenon yet to be understood? While some speculate it's the call of a giant, unknown marine life form, others suggest it could be the result of shifting icebergs or volcanic activity. Yet, the enigma remains unsolved, captivating both oceanographers and conspiracy theorists alike. As researchers delve deeper, the ocean continues to guard its secrets, leaving us to wonder what else lies beneath the waves, waiting to be discovered.